In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code in a Canva website. By the end, you'll know how to display interactive content like videos, forms, calendars, maps, or PDFs right inside your Canva site, so visitors can engage without leaving the page. Start by opening Canva and loading the website design you want to edit. Once your design is on screen, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. This is where Canva keeps integrations and special tools that extend what your site can do. In the search bar at the top of the Apps panel, type Embed. When the Embed tool appears, click it to open. This tool lets you bring in content from other platforms using either a URL or an embed code. Most popular services provide one or both. For example, you can embed a YouTube video, a Google form for collecting responses, a shared calendar, an interactive map, or even a PDF viewer so readers can flip through a document on the page. Now paste the URL or embed code from the content you want to display into the field provided. A quick tip here. Make sure the source content is publicly accessible or set to be viewable by anyone with the link. If the content is restricted or private, it may not load on your site. Also, some services require you to use their specific share or embed link, not just the address from the browser bar. After you've pasted the link, click Add to Design. Canva will place the embedded content onto your page. It may take a moment to load, especially for larger items like maps or PDFs, so give it a second. Once it appears, click to select it and drag the corners to resize. Aim for dimensions that make the content easy to read and interact with, and keep it aligned with your layout so it looks clean on desktop and mobile. If text or buttons are cut off, expand the frame until everything is visible. When you're happy with the placement and size, it's time to publish. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Publish Website. Canva will update your site, and your embedded content will now appear live. If you don't see it right away on the published page, refresh the site or wait a moment for it to finish loading. That's it. You've embedded external content into your Canva website, keeping everything interactive and in one place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your site with dynamic, embedded elements.